first thing you'll want to do after downloading the Probuild app is to set up your business profile. You can access your business profile by tapping on the settings gear in the top left and then tapping on the name of your business. I'm going to start by setting my business logo. This logo will appear on all the estimates and invoices that I send out to my customers. Next, I'll set my business email, my business phone number, and my business address. These details will also appear on estimates and invoices that I send out. The next thing you'll want to do is invite your employees to join you on the Probuild app. You can do this by navigating to the More tab and tapping on the Team option. You can invite new employees to your business by tapping the plus button in the top right. If you already have the employee in the contacts on your phone, you can invite from your contacts, but we're going to invite the new employee by phone number. Users of the Probuild app must be assigned one of 4 roles: admin, manager, worker, or subcontractor. We're going to make this new employee a manager. That employee that I just invited will be sent a text message with a link that allows them to join me and my business on Probuild. Let's return to the Projects tab to see how to add a new project on Probuild. Tap the plus button in the top right-hand corner to get started on a new project. Here we can enter the project name, project description, and create a client. Now you'll want to add the employees that will be working on the project with you. We'll start by posting an update to the project so everyone knows where we're at. When it comes time to do the estimate, we'll tap the Estimate and Invoice button. Here you can see a preview of the estimate. We're going to tap Edit to edit the estimate. We can set the estimate number, tax rate, as well as add items. Adding detailed line items is important for building a professional looking estimate. To delete a line item, swipe to delete on the cell and tap Delete. You may also add photos to your estimate by tapping Add Photo. Photos allow you to create more professional looking estimates that clarify the exact work to be done. If you have any additional information that doesn't fit into the above categories, you can add it using this extra information field here. If your business has contract terms that the customer needs to sign off on, you can add that contract to your estimate here. We are also going to set this contract to be the default contract that is used every time we create a new estimate. After the customer has reviewed the estimate, you can have them sign the estimate digitally. If we want to send ourselves or the customer a PDF copy of the estimate, we can do so by tapping the Email button in the bottom right. This estimate has been added to the project so that everyone can see it. If you'd like to modify the visibility of a post, tap Edit on the post, tap on the Visibility modifier, and then choose what roles you wish to see your post. In our case, we made it so that only admins can see it. As the project progresses, you'll want to update the status of the project. You can do so by tapping on the status on the project information page. By tapping on the Post Photo button, employees can keep everyone up to date on the latest progress by posting photos. Tapping on the photos brings up a photo viewer where you can view the originals. Now we are going to switch to the Timesheet tab. Each of your employees will also have a tab like this where they can clock in and out. You can view your employees' timesheets by tapping on View All Users. To export CSV data from the current pay period, tap the Export button in the top right-hand corner. You'll receive an email with the CSV data within minutes. You can also view data from previous pay periods by tapping on the Pay Period selector at the bottom of the screen. While clocked in, we track the GPS location of each device so that you know where your workers were while they were clocked in. If you tap on the Messages tab, that'll bring you to a new tab where you can chat with your employees. This allows for clear separation between personal and work communication. This brings us to our final main tab, which is the Estimates and Invoices tab. From here you can see all of the estimates and invoices that you created, as well as create new ones. You can also delete estimates and invoices by swiping to delete. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at our toll-free number or via email support@probuild.app.